But first, some breaking news now coming in on the tree felling case in Delhi. And the Supreme Court, remember, has been hearing this matter. The Supreme Court has sought an affidavit from the Lieutenant Governor. And here's the contempt case against the Delhi Development Authority and asked what steps did the DDA take to identify errant officers and must fix accountability. Well, let's go across to Sunil Prabhu now for more on this story. And Sunil, this is a case that has been heard at the Supreme Court, where the Supreme Court took a very tough stand against the felling of trees. Give us more details about what happened today.
Well, to really stop a very long story, there were two Supreme Court benches which were hearing it, and now it has been heard by the Chief Justice of India because of judicial propriety, because both were dealing with this matter. One was Justice Oka and one was also Justice Gawai, and finally they decided that for judicial propriety, they would deal it with the Chief Justice of India. So the Chief Justice of India today, after hearing this entire matter, has asked the Lieutenant Governor and the chairperson of DDA to personally file an affidavit and to take whatever action that is required, criminal or whatever, because this amounts to 1,100 trees being felled without permission, without the Supreme Court's permission. This is a clear case of contempt, and the Lieutenant Governor has been given a week's time when the matter will be heard by the Chief Justice of India and his bench once again to comply and give a compliance affidavit on what steps he has taken, how exactly it happened, because he visited the site on the 3rd of February. Did it go ahead with felling of the trees just on his mere direction? Why did they go ahead and fell trees without the Supreme Court's permission on the 16th when the CEC committee came in? They have given the affidavits. So there's a host of issues here which will have to be addressed, apart from the fact that what happened to the timber of the 1,100 trees? Where has it gone? What's the inventory? Who has taken it? And all those points. So clearly the Lieutenant Governor has been held personally responsible to file that affidavit. Of course, he will need the cooperation of the DDA and others who are responsible for this. Clearly, the Supreme Court has taken a very tough stand on an important aspect, because as you can see, as we speak, Delhi is finding it difficult to breathe. Air quality is bad. And without the permission, even though the Supreme Court is hearing this and monitoring this entire thing, they have cut 1,100 trees to pave a road for a paramilitary hospital, apparently. So that's the real reason behind the Chief Justice of India taking a very stringent view on what has happened.